In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate or flip an image in Wix. Whether you're looking to adjust the orientation of an image or create a mirrored effect for your design, Wix makes this process simple and intuitive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to rotate and flip images with confidence, giving your website the perfect look and feel. So if you're ready to enhance your site's visuals, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Wix Website Editor. This is the central hub where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll make changes to your site's design and content. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to select the specific site you want to work on. You can find this in the My Sites section. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple sites, as you'll need to make sure you're editing the right one. Now that you've opened the correct site, locate the image you want to rotate or flip. Simply click on the image to select it. When you do this, you'll notice a small menu or toolbar appear near the image. This is your editing menu, and it's packed with tools that allow you to adjust and customize the image. From this menu, look for the Edit Image option and click on it. This will open up the Image Editing panel, a feature that gives you access to a variety of tools to modify your image. For today's tutorial, we'll focus specifically on the Crop and Extend function. Select that option to proceed. Now, let's talk about rotating the image. If you want to rotate it to the left, look for the Rotate Left icon and click on it. This will turn the image counterclockwise. On the other hand, if you need to rotate the image to the right, click the Rotate Right icon. This will turn the image clockwise. Rotating an image can be especially helpful if you've uploaded an image that's sideways or upside down, or if you're aiming for a specific design alignment. Next, let's move on to flipping the image. If you want to create a mirrored effect, there are two options available. To flip the image horizontally, click on the horizontal flip icon. This will mirror the image from left to right. Alternatively, if you want to flip the image vertically, click on the vertical flip icon. This will mirror the image from top to bottom. Flipping an image can be a great way to add a creative touch to your design or correct images that need a different orientation. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can rotate or flip any image in Wix to match your design vision. Don't forget to save your changes once you're happy with the adjustments. Taking the time to fine-tune your images can make a big difference in how your website looks and feels. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.